Okay, here's the last in this set of 3 videos about the different cases for number of solutions that we have. So this one is for no solution, or another word for it that you'll see is called the null set, and we make that by making a 0 with a line through it. So let's look at what this looks like. And I think one of the reasons these are all kind of tricky is because they all sort of look the same when you start. So we got 2 times 3x, 2 times 5 over here. So let's do that. So 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times 5 is positive 10. So run our fence down. 5 times 2x is 10x. All right. Minus 20, because that's what 5 times negative 4 is. And then minus 4x. Some of you might be saying, well, you know what? The variables aren't the same on each side. And if I just looked at this at first glance, I'd be kind of like, yeah, but you know what? I got to combine like terms, all right? So on this side, I got 2x's. So let's do that. Let's combine our like terms. So I got 10x minus 4x is 6x. Over here, I got 6x, and here we go again, right? And then my numbers, I got plus 10, and then we got minus 20. So hopefully, you might say to yourself, oh, well, this is infinite number of solutions like the other one because my variables are the same and I can get rid of them and they have an identity. But what you're going to see in a second is that if I subtract my 6x from both sides, and they do in fact cancel out, so that's good that you recognize that. But what you're going to see, what we have is we wind up with 10 equaling negative 20. Now, I don't know what universe you were raised in, but in the universe I've been raised in, 10 never equals negative 20. So this is a case where we wouldn't leave it written like this either. We would put a line through that because that means no way. That means it's not equal to 20. And so when you have a case like this where you get something that is false, in other words, it's not true, then that is a case where you say, well, this equation has no solution. Has no solution. Another name for that is, like I said at the beginning of the video, is the null set. And you can write it like that. So I invite you to try, if you don't believe me, but you can put any number you want into this initial equation and you will never find a solution for this. So those are the 3 cases. So you have a distinct solution, you have all numbers are a solution or infinite number of solutions, and then you have no solution or the null set. So those are our 3 types of answers that you can get from any kind of general algebra equation.